Okay, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for this HD60 that I've got, so hold on here. This is from Elgato. It's a capture card. I'm actually going to be using this for a project to digitize some VHS tapes, but this will also be useful for doing some builds, etc., where I can't capture within Windows. So got this because it's compatible with USB-C, pretty simple. I don't think I'll need much more than this myself, and being USB makes it more portable, so I can take this other places. But here's the unit itself. There you go. Card there. Here's the USB-C cable. Looks like it's kind of a hefty version. Been noticing the better quality ones seem a little heavier, which is good. And here's the the HDMI cable that comes in it. Looks like one side of this might actually be damaged slightly. It's also missing its cover. Gonna have to look into that. Look at that. That corner. The box looked fine. It was sealed, so I'm not sure what that's all about. And then it's got a sticker in here. So, okay, I assume that I go online to get the software and everything. Don't need to add to e-waste and put a disk in here that people would use once, or don't even have a disk drive to use, honestly, in this day and age. So anyway, there's the unboxing. Again, like and subscribe if you like this content, and I have a Patreon as well. And please, leave suggestions for other videos that you'd like to see, projects, things like that. I've got some interesting stuff coming up with a retro gaming machine, hopefully soon. So stay tuned for that. See you later.